Welcome to our channel. Today we how to secure Afrikaans language with Busuu step by step clearly. Open the Busuu app or visit the Busuu website. Create an account or log in if you already have one. Navigate to the course selection area. Select Afrikaans from the available language options. Choose your learning goal, whether it's for travel, work, or personal interest. Begin with the placement test if prompted, to assess your current level. Once your level is set, explore the course materials available. Start with the introductory lessons to build foundational skills. Engage with vocabulary exercises to enhance your word knowledge. Practice speaking using the voice recognition feature. Complete grammar lessons to understand sentence structure. Utilize the interactive dialogues to improve conversational skills. Take advantage of the writing exercises for composition practice. Join the community section to connect with other learners. Participate in language exchanges for real-time practice. Monitor your progress through the app's dashboard. Set daily goals to keep your learning consistent. Review lessons regularly to reinforce your knowledge. Explore additional resources such as podcasts and cultural notes. Stay motivated by celebrating small milestones along the way. Adjust your study plan as needed to fit your pace. Continue practicing consistently to master Afrikaans. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.